Namaskar. When your uric acid level increases, your joints often becomes your first victim. Your ankles begin to feel heavy, toes hurt at night, and knees creak every step. Left unchecked, you get risk of gout. Gout is a form of arthritis that causes sudden severe pain and inflammation in one or more joints, often in the big toe. It occurs when urate crystals accumulate in the joints, typically due to high uric acid level. High uric acid can also cause constant inflammation that drains your energy and slowly steals your mobility. But the good news is that you can fight back, not with harsh chemicals, but with time-honored Indian drinks that flush out uric acid, cools inflammation, leaves your joint lease of life. So today, let's learn to make 4 natural drinks to reduce your uric acid level. First, we have the Lauki Tulsi Cooler, the kidney cleanser. Think of this as a cool shower on your kidney. Lauki or bottle gourd is 96% water, which means it hydrates you deeply while helping your body flush out waste products, especially uric acid crystals that can build up in your kidney. Tulsi, known as the queen of herbs in Ayurveda, is a natural detoxifier that reduces internal inflammation and supports overall kidney function. Together, they work like a gentle stream, carrying away toxins before they can harm your joints. So, to make this, blend 1 cup peeled Lauki with 4-5 crushed tulsi leaves, strain and drink fresh, that too in the morning. A pro tip for you is add a pinch of rock salt and roasted jeera powder for taste. Next, we have a Moringa lemon drink, the Alkalinity Booster. Uric acid thrives in an acidic body. Moringa leaves, also called as drumstick leaves in India, has over 90 nutrients and are naturally alkaline, creating an environment where uric acid struggles to form. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, not only alkalizes your blood but also helps dissolving uric acid crystals so that they can be flushed out more easily. This drink doesn't just lower uric acid, but it also floods your system with antioxidants, keeping your joints supple and your energy level steady. So, to make this drink, mix half teaspoon pure moringa powder in warm water, squeeze half a lemon, stir and then drink. This drink is best consumed mid-morning for that antioxidant kit. Third, we will discuss Amla Haldi Shot, the Anti-Inflammatory Hero. When uric acid builds up, inflammation is what turns it into pain. Amla, or the Indian gooseberry, is one of the richest sources of vitamin C, which helps neutralize uric acid before it can settle in your joints. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is potentially anti-inflammatory. It is capable of reducing swelling and pain at the root. This shot acts like a double shield for your joints, protecting them from both acid buildup and the inflammation it causes. So, to make this, mix in 30 ml of fresh amla juice with half teaspoon turmeric in water. To increase the effect of this drink, add a pinch of black pepper to boost turmeric absorption. Finally, we have Dhaniya Pudina Detox Water, the cooling cleanser. You see, high uric acid often causes internal heat, which makes swelling and pain worse. Coriander leaves, or called as Dhaniya leaves, are alkalizing and helps your body release excess uric acid through urine. Mint or pudina is naturally cooling. It soothes inflamed tissues and prevents uric acid crystal from forming in the first place. This drink is like a cooling breeze through your entire system, leaving you refreshed, hydrated, and pain free. To make this, boil a handful of dhaniya leaves and 8 to 10 Pudina leaves in 2 cups of water for 3 to 4 minutes. Strain and drink warm or cool. So here is the pro tip. You can sip in the water throughout the day. When you make these drinks a part of your routine, you are not just tackling uric acid, you are restoring balance to your entire system. Together, they hydrate deeply, flush out toxins, cools inflammation, and feeds your body a steady stream of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Over time, you will notice your joints moving more freely and your energy stays steady throughout the day, and that heavy acidic feeling giving way to lightness. So, start sipping today. So, every joint in your body will thank you tomorrow. Namaskar.